Good morning, all my dear students of class 5. As you people know that we have almost done with the lesson Eat Smart and Be Healthy, where we have learned a lot of thing about food and healthy foods as well as about junk food. As well as I already taught you about balanced diet. So let us start one more new topic which is there in the lesson which we have not done yet. So let us start. So today we are going to learn about scarcity of food. स्केर्सिटी मीन्स हिंदी में स्केर्सिटी को कमी कहा जाता है. सो लेट्स गो थ्रू इट. फूड दैट वी ईट every day determines how well our body functions. We need to eat the right amount of food to keep ourselves fit and healthy. However, there are millions of people who are malnourished due to scarcity of food. Food scarcity can be caused in the event of a calamity or natural disaster like flood, drought, tsunami, or an earthquake. It can also occur due to human negligence, for instance, improper storage of food and food wastage. Now, let me explain what it is written in the paragraph. So, in the paragraph, is written about the scarcity of food. That food that we eat every day, it determines how well our body functions. It means our body totally depends on the food we eat. It functions by absorbing all the nutrition from the food. We need to eat the right amount of food to keep ourselves fit and healthy. And to keep our body fit and healthy, we need to eat right amount and proper fresh food. However, there are millions of people who are malnourished due to scarcity of food. So there are a lot of people, millions and millions of people who are malnourished. Malnourished means not having enough food and suffering from a lot of diseases. Food scarcity can be caused in the event of calamity or natural disaster like flood, drought, tsunami, or an earthquake. And the reason of this food scarcity are many, such as natural disaster like flood, drought, tsunami, or an earthquake. It can also occur due to human negligence as well. For instance, improper storage of food and food wastage. An acute shortage of food is called famine. Now, what is famine? Famine means shortage of food. It is caused by several factors, and the reasons of famine are war, rise in food prices, crop failures, population imbalance, or government policies. Malnutrition, hunger, widespread diseases, and death are some effects of famine. Malnutrition is lack of proper nutrition and is caused by not having enough to eat. Not eating enough nutrients or being unable to absorb the nutrient one consumes can also cause malnutrition. So malnutrition means it's all about malnutrition is all about lack of proper nutrition and is caused by not having enough to eat. And not eating enough nutrients or being unable to absorb the nutrient one consumes can also cause malnutrition. The causes of this malnutrition famine are war, rise in food prices, crop failures, population imbalance, or government policies. Now, how can we prevent wastage of food? We can prevent wastage of food by following some simple rules, such as the first one is food should be cooked and in measured amounts so that it is not wasted. Leftover food can be stored properly and eaten the next day. The second one is always take small quantities of food on your plate so that you can finish it. Third one is food should be preserved to keep it from getting spoiled. And the fourth one is food items should be bought in small amounts. So these are the things or simple rules which we can follow, and by this way, by following these rules, we can prevent wastage of food. So with this I'm ending this class here. I want you to go through the lesson properly, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in the Google Live Classroom. Thank you.